Hey guys, it's Ari Love and I am here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a easy, flawless, full coverage everyday makeup look that is under 10 minutes. To get started, first we're going to do eyebrows, and as you see I'm just going to brush them up just a little bit before I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the color Ebony. So the brush that I use for my eyebrows is the e.l.f. angle brush. I got it from Walmart for about $2. And now I'm just going to show you how I apply just a little bit of product onto my eyebrows. And I'm going to put some on my hand so you can see how a little bit really does go a long way. And I just go to the shape of my eyebrow. And what I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other. Now I'm going to go in with my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee and just clean up my eyebrows. And now here I'm just going to go in and do my other eyebrow. And I know right now it looks kind of light, but I'm going to fix that. In the end it's going to blend out really well. Now I'm going to go in with my L.A Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector, and I'm just going to color correct around my mouth where I'm a little darker. With my e.l.f. crease brush, I'm going to go back up to my eyebrows and finish blending those out. And now it is time to apply foundation, so I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and my Sephora 10 Hour Wear Perfection foundation. I am shade 57, which is Fonce Deep. So I really like this foundation. It was only $20 at Sephora, and I like how it's not cakey at all, and for an everyday look it just looks like skin. Like as you can see, it just blends in really well. And I haven't forgotten about my eyebrows. I'm going to go back in with my crease brush and a little bit of my foundation, and I'm just going to blend it out a little bit more. And here I am with a little bit of my foundation and my e.l.f. crease brush, where I'm going to take just a little bit under my eyebrows and above my eyebrows just to make sure that everything is blended out correctly. And now it's time to highlight, and I'm going to use the L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So one thing I do not do is contour. I feel like with the concealer that I use and in the shade that I use, it's light enough that it just gives me a natural contour. So at this point, I'm just going to blend out all of my concealer, and I'm just going to show you where my natural contour is starting to form. And now that it's time to bake my face, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And while my face is baking, I'm going to go in and do my lips. And I use the Sephora-cream lip stain in the color 24. So for an everyday makeup look, I probably would just do lip gloss, but today I want it to be just a little extra. So my face has been baking for quite a while now, so I'm going to go in with the brush and I'm going to blend that out. And I know right now it looks a little ashy, so I'm going to go back in with the beauty blender that I use for my foundation, and I'm just going to blend it out just a little bit more and warm up my face. And now I'm just going to do one extra step and use my Bare Minerals Bare Skin Dark to Deep foundation powder, and I'm going to set my whole face. And now I'm just going to go in and do my bottom lashes using, of course, my favorite brand, Sephora. I'm using the Sephora-Lashcraft Length Volume. If you want to see a video on how I did my top lashes, I will link the video down below. And for the final step, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock It Makeup Setting Mist. And here is my finished everyday makeup look. All the products used in the video will be linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you look forward to seeing more easy makeup and hair tutorials, make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.